Deep within this futuristic facility, the journey of the blade begins, a testament to modern precision engineering and automation. Large coils of specialized stainless steel strip arrive in the raw material receiving department. Workers use automated lift.
The tension reading spiked slightly on the last pass.
Yes, but it immediately corrected. We are within tolerance.
This measurement is outside the tolerance. See the red flag here? Yes, let's check the batch history on the previous run.
The approved blade blanks enter a specialized industrial heat treatment system. Controlled thermal processing improves the mechanical. After heat treatment, the blade blanks move into a controlled cooling system. Approved material then continues toward the precision grinding department. Pressure looks good on the gauge. Temperature is stable at 80 degrees. The durability metrics are exceeding projections on this cycle.
Confirmed. The surface wear resistance is optimal. Ensure the alignment is within tolerance before proceeding to the next batch.
Technicians use controlled testing equipment to evaluate sharpness and edge consistency. Automated instruments measure performance across multiple production samples.
The alignment on batch 42 seems slightly off according to the sensor data.
Let me take a look at that cartridge right here. The assembled razor cartridges enter a high-speed automated inspection station inside factory. Approved cartridges move into the protective component assembly department. Automated machines install carefully engineered protective features around the blade area. Separate razor handles arrive at the handle assembly department. Modern injection molding equipment produces durable ergonomic handle components.
There's the alert. Unit 4 fails mechanical consistency. Reroute it for manual inspection immediately. We need to analyze the stress points. Check the batch code alignment on screen 3.
Looks within tolerance. Finished retail multi-packs enter the automated shipping carton department. Forklift 2. Confirm pallet 7B is secured at location Alpha 4.
Confirmed. Moving to staging area.
Confirmed. Shipment is rerouted.
Inventory levels updated.
The schedule looks good. Proceed with distribution.